Did you know that the same typewriter almost sent two completely different men to prison for the same crime? When investigators got hold of James Lewis's extortion letter in 1982, they handed it to forensic document examiners. These experts compared the typing against specimens from dozens of suspects. Then they hit something that stopped the investigation cold. Roger Arnold's typewriter was a near-perfect match. Arnold was already a person of interest. He had a violent history and a connection to the Tylenol case through other circumstantial threads. Now a forensic expert was essentially pointing at his machine and saying, "This is it." But here is the problem. James Lewis had actually written that letter, and forensic document examination in 1982 was not the hard science it was sold as. Examiners would present their conclusions with total confidence, and juries and investigators believed them completely. The typewriter evidence kept Arnold under suspicion longer than it should have. Meanwhile, Lewis was already in custody for the extortion, but the murders stayed unsolved. One letter, two men, zero real answers.